know how to hook it.
One of our buddies held a festival. One year we're like, hey, maybe we should make a beer. We made a couple beers, had no expectations, and we walked away with like a bunch of ribbons, and the guys hated us.
Yeah,
like
they were so mad.
I'm the MBA, so I would say I'm the realist, and Annette has always been a complete dreamer. When she wanted to start a brewery, I said, okay, bye, have fun, and then she started getting going, and I was like, this seems like a lot of fun, I want it.
We'll weigh out the hops, add them to the brink.
And it's nice as it has a good body.
July of 2011, we sold our first beer.
Yeah, so we're coming up on 15 years.
Which is nuts.
It's like exhausting.
It's exhausting. We've been so lucky to have employees that have been with us 5, 10 years.
I've been in the beverage industry for a long time. I always wanted to be on the production side. I found Throwback.
Yeah.
But I didn't know if we wanted to take a look at those, see if we needed to adjust temperature on that or anything.
I saw the sign out there, and I immediately just turned around. I went back and I was like, you'll never guess what's for sale.
We asked a lot of people, are we nuts for doing this? And some people were like, yeah, you're a little cuckoo.
It was a sheep farm, so, you know, sheep shit, sheep everything in here. You walk through here and I was just like, I could see what I wanted. I would try to explain it to people and they were just like, okay, sure.
And it was an absolute mess, but if you walked through and walked all the way to the back, we would love to sit down and have a beer. We started as a brewery, but now we're a restaurant and a destination. Chef Carrie and her team, they have the same philosophy, trying to use as many local ingredients as possible. And it's the combination of the farm and the brewery and the kitchen all working together that make this place unique in what it is.
Looks nice, huh? Nice and plump. I don't think we ever went into it saying, oh, we're going to build community, but it became a community. A lot of people have been here a long time.
Every day I wake up and I'm actually excited. You know, every day is different.
It's not just making the beer, there's so much that goes into it. It's a rare experience.
Your flight is leaving, whether you're ready or not. And like, we knew this place, it had to go. Try to get all your stuff packed together, get on the plane, and buckle yourself in.